At the Steeplechase Farm, an award-winning estate designed to be the ultimate horse lover's home. This backcountry estate, last listed for $21 million, was built for former Glaceau coup Carol Dollard. The only all-encompassing equestrian property in Greenwich offers a lineup of one-of-a-kind features sure to meet the luxury lifestyle buyers dream of. The property features a 5-bedroom, 9-bathroom house, shingle-style home overlooking 8 fenced grass paddocks. With approximately 13 acres of serene beauty and Instagram-worthy design, this Greenwich Connecticut Equestrian estate highlights the best of interior design, details, and materials. Offering the epitome of the equestrian lifestyle, this distinctive and private horse farm offers a bounty of splendid features. Walking past your gorgeous heated pool and gardens, you'll quickly forget you're just 45 minutes from Manhattan, 15 minutes from Westchester Airport, and 10 minutes to Greenwich. Built in 2012, this 10,000 square foot private residential horse house with 5 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms features endless upgrades and lavish finishes throughout. This is the only all-encompassing horse farm in Greenwich. 13 acres of grounds, 8 enclosed paddocks, enclosed horse trailer parking, a riding trail encircling the property, 8-stall barn with a tack room, wash stall, feed room, and half bath. To fit perfectly into the topography, the equestrian buildings are situated down lower on the luxurious property. The modern 8-stall stable is surrounded by 8 enclosed paddocks and a half-mile riding trail to bring you the essential joy of being with horses. Considered one of the top safe havens in the country for families and money, this Greenwich home won an award for Best Custom Home in Connecticut. With its beautiful shoreline and convenience to New York City, Greenwich, Connecticut has long been the favored place for luxury homes owned by the rich and famous. While widely known for its many wealthy residents, Greenwich is a well-diverse community and a wonderful place to live. And if you can afford a $20+ million mortgage, then you can find some truly immaculate real estate here.